Here's the latest project. I already put the jack on because I needed to. This is a HC&M Dakota trailer, horse trailer. It's got a tack room. Got a couple of spots in there I need to fix. The rail, the main frame, 2x3 steel angle, completely rotted out. Rotted out so bad that the first axle fell off. So I'm getting ready to replace that. See how bad it is. This is where the first axle was located at. But an overview. I gotta take that board up over there. Had to cut them because when HC&M builds these, they put the floor in first and then they put everything over top of it, which is really stupid. There's no way to fix the floor without tearing everything apart. But this is a 3-horse trailer. I got new lights going in it. Got a new rear piece that's going on it. It'll get power washed. It'll get painted. The other axle is right there. Got to make new mounts for it. Can't even buy the mounts. New fender. This side's not that bad. Let's see the tag. It's got 3,500 pound axles on it each. But this is the new project. Got another project back here. This is a drill rig, water drill rig. Gonna rebuild that. So the parts that go to it. It's portable. They get towed behind an ATV or the Argo or Mudox. This is my newest requirement. This is a Millport 1236 lathe. Got some tooling that went with it. I got to get a lot more tooling though. Pretty nice trailer. It'll be really nice when I get it done. It'll be for sale once I get it done. Six lug, electric brakes on both.